Hi guys, and today I'm showing the Albonia mod. It's work in progress by CH Gary 100, and this is it. So, if you find this file, get it! I got it. It's called Albonia. I have a hard time saying that. So, put it in the furnace and you smelt it. And you have to get raw Albonia, right here. Then you have to smelt it again. It's going to take a long time. So, whatever. Okay, now let's just see the stuff and get our stuff. Okay, and we need to replace that first. And we'll do. Okay, then you have to smelt it, and I'll trim it to this. Oh man. Okay, Albonia dye. And then you have to make the ingot like that. And I already have 20, so now make the axe head, shovel head, sword head, and pickaxe head. It's more complicated than you think it was. It's for me to figure this out. This is how you craft the axe head, so now I have to craft the axe head. There, axe head. The shovel head. That's the sword head, but I don't care. This is the shovel head. And the sword head we did, and then the axe. No, the pickaxe. Yes. There. And we have an extra Albonia ingot. So now, we need to craft the tools here. Oh man, why did I do this? We need to... Man, I just... wow, I totally forgot about that. Shovel? Yeah. Sword. Lots of arrows here, because I need this quick. Come on. Why are you not working? Yep. 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 This. Oh. The pickaxe, I probably got it wrong again. And okay, I got all the tools. Now you're done. Now I get all the standard stuff. I'm not going to steal all of it because I didn't deserve it. I cheated. So now I can get this Albonia block. And oh yeah, Albonia. Having clay. Yay! Okay, that was the mod. And hope you liked it. Bye.